Aging. It feels natural. It feels unavoidable. But what if I told you that modern science now believes aging is not destiny? That most people age faster not because of time, but because of lifestyle and cellular damage. Today, we uncover the truth behind anti-aging science, backed by the latest research of 2025. Inside your body, trillions of cells work every second. As we get older, 4 things go wrong. 1. DNA gets damaged. 2. Mitochondria lose power. 3. Inflammation increases silently. 4. Senescent zombie cells stop working, but never die. These changes don't just make you older, they make you weaker, slower, and more tired. But here's the good news. Science now knows how to slow down every single one of these processes. Your body has a hidden superpower called autophagy, a natural cleaning process where damaged cells are destroyed and replaced with new, fresh, younger cells. And the biggest trigger of autophagy is simple: intermittent fasting. Just 15 to 16 hours of fasting can kickstart the same cellular repair that expensive anti-aging treatments promise. At the end of your DNA are tiny protective caps called telomeres. The shorter they become, the faster you age. The longer they stay, the younger your body behaves. So how do we protect them? Deep sleep, walking daily, meditation, vitamin D, omega-3, 0 unnecessary sugar. Small habits, massive impact on longevity. If you want real anti-aging, protect your mitochondria. They produce the energy that keeps your body young. Boost them with magnesium, CoQ10, cold exposure, strength training, early morning sunlight. More mitochondrial power equals more life in your years. Inflammation is the silent flame inside your body that speeds up aging. But anti-aging foods act like fire extinguishers. Blueberries, olive oil, avocado, green tea, turmeric, dark chocolate. Your body becomes younger at the cellular level. During deep sleep, your body repairs DNA, heals tissues, lowers inflammation, and restores hormones. Without sleep, no anti-aging routine will ever work. 7 to 8 hours isn't luxury. It's your biological necessity. Science is clear. If exercise were a drug, it would be the most powerful anti-aging medicine ever created. Strength training rebuilds muscle. HIIT boosts mitochondria. Walking improves the heart. Yoga protects the brain. Movement is youth. Cortisol, the stress hormone, makes you older internally even when you look fine externally. Deep breathing, nature walks, meditation, these aren't just lifestyle hacks. They protect your DNA from aging faster than it should. Aging is real, but accelerated aging is a choice. With the right food, the right habits, the right mindset, you can slow your aging dramatically. You can live younger, stronger, calmer, healthier, for years longer than you ever believed. This is not anti-aging magic. This is anti-aging science.